Ever wondered how to elevate your car camping culinary experience? A Dutch oven can unlock a world of possibilities for your outdoor meals. It's time to dive into the art of Dutch oven cooking during car camping, complete with tips and tricks to make every dish a delightful success. First off, choosing the right Dutch oven is crucial. You'll want a 12 to 14 quart Dutch oven with sturdy legs and a tight-fitting lid, perfect for a variety of dishes. Next, seasoning your Dutch oven is key. Apply a thin layer of vegetable oil to the interior and exterior surfaces to prevent rust and enhance non-stick properties. Do this at home, and your Dutch oven will be ready to use for multiple trips without needing to season it again. When you're car camping, you can set up a more organized cooking station. Designate a flat surface, like a sturdy camping table, and place your Dutch oven on a stable, heat-resistant surface. Remember, temperature control is vital. Whether you're using a portable stove or a campfire, adjust the heat source accordingly. Regulate the flame intensity for stoves and manage the distance between the Dutch oven and the flames when using a campfire. There are several techniques you can use for Dutch oven cooking. Baking, roasting, simmering, stewing, and frying all become possible with a Dutch oven at your disposal. Adjust the heat source accordingly, and you're set for a variety of dishes. Speaking of dishes, there are countless recipes you can try. Campfire enchiladas, Dutch oven lasagna, blueberry cobbler, and one-pot jambalaya are just a few examples of the delicious meals you can create. In conclusion, car camping and Dutch oven cooking go hand in hand. With the right equipment, seasoning, and techniques, you can turn your car camping trip into a culinary adventure. So pack your Dutch oven and get ready to savor the joy of car camping cuisine.